Can you hand it back to me?
Really?
I want to throw it again. All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today we are back with another unboxing. Listen man, if you guys are tired of unboxings, I'm sorry. I apologize from the bottom of my heart. But there's always new fragrances coming out, and I always have to give you guys the first impressions. So, I have something here. It's in this box. I released the video and you guys said you wanted it. So here it is. Or did it happen in this order? All right, so I have a box here. I have a knife. You know what happens to boxes and knives? I mean, that makes any sense. Boxes get fucked on this channel. That's what happens over here. All right. So today we have a new release from the people over at Parfums Vintage. And I didn't know this one was coming because I got an email days after I received Rush of Unicorns in that I was getting another fragrance, and I got no points for guessing what it was made after. Its name is King Intense. So me being me, I sent them an email back and said, oh my god, you guys made a fragrance named after me? I don't know if they found that hilarious, but I did. Here's your box, man. You have it. I feel like, listen, I had to get that out of my system. Okay, I feel like we've been slacking on here. You know, we ain't been fucking boxes enough. This one here is King Intense. Pineapple Vintage, so we guys can probably know what this one's about. All right, so again, this one is called King Intense. This one is actually out of stock on their website right now. It says it will be available on July 21st, which I believe is this upcoming Saturday. So this one is a 50 ml, and I only see it in the 50 ml on the site, and it comes in at the price of $79. So this one has pineapple, apple, juniper berries, blackcurrant, bergamot, rose, jasmine, patchouli, musk, ambergris, vanilla, and birch. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. Shouldn't have did that. Let me explain why. So I just sprayed Royal Mayfair on that off. I'll do it over here. What do you think?
So far, so good.
I don't feel like this one is like a spot on ringer of Aventus. I like Pineapple Vintage Intense more. All right guys, so let me just be clear on this one here, right? Because I know a lot of you guys out there are looking for this one to be the next best Aventus clone. And honestly, I don't think they were looking to like truly redo Aventus here. Like I don't think that's what they were looking to do. They didn't tell me what they were looking to do. They didn't consult with me first. This one here to me, this one's a good fragrance, right? I do like it. I do not feel like this one is like the next Aventus clone powerhouse. I personally still like Pineapple Vintage Intense more in terms of Aventus clones, at least right off the break. So in fact, when I smell this one, it kind of puts me in the mind of barnumber9.com or HTTP. The patchouli in this one makes it a little more creamy than you come to expect in their traditional releases. I do like it. I personally think Pineapple Vintage Intense is the better choice if you're looking for a Aventus clone. Is this one a good fragrance? Yes. Without a doubt. I mean, twice on Sunday, you can pick this one up and be a-okay with it. I like it. It's dope. Good release from the house, 79 bucks. Not bad. 50 ml. One, I like the name of the fragrance because I don't know what's up. They've been changing their names around. Like they've had, you know, Rush of Unicorns and Trio Devastante, Intense, Emerald Isle. Now King Intense. 2018 is the year of names. It's all about marketing. So I like this one. Now, one thing that I did talk about is the number of Aventus clones out there on the market today. There are lots of Aventus clones. I don't know if we need any more. Like, that's kind of where I am with it. Like, I don't know if we need any more Aventus clones. Sorry. I mean, just, but not sorry. At the same time. So I appreciate it. I like this one. I think it's dope. Will I wear this one? Yes, I'm definitely going to wear it. Like, I'm definitely going to wear it, especially when I do not want to wear Aventus. Two is I do not have any more Pineapple Vintage Intense. So King Intense is what I'll be wearing when I don't want to wear Aventus and I still need the same type of vibe. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Do you have this one? Do you plan on picking it up? Right now, As it stands at the time of shooting this video, it's not in stock on the website. I do not know when it's going to load up. It may load up on the 21st, as it says that's when it's releasing. So whenever this video comes out, just if it comes out on the 21st, then they have it. If it comes out on the 20th, the 19th, 18th, I'm not sure. Whenever the video comes out, the 21st is when it says it's going to launch. I'm your boy, Big BB. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And tell them that the king sent you to hit the goddamn bell.